Hey, my beautiful people. So I'm going to show you how to turn an ugly wig from their hair company that did false advertisement and use videos and pictures that are clearly not this wig, and you paid your good money for it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to update that. So we're going to start off with shampooing it. I used a tub of warm water and just some cheap shampoo I had around the house to get it clean, because we need to just get the product buildup out of it. And no, y'all, that isn't product buildup you see in that tub. Ever since I got this wig, even before I wore it for the first time and I washed it, this reddish brown stuff has been coming out of it. I didn't color it. I don't know what that is. That should have been enough of a sign, but we'll talk about that in another video if y'all want that story time. And then we're going to rinse that out, and we're going to condition it with the Suave almond and shea butter moisturizing conditioner, because we want the hair soft when we finish the rest of this project. You don't want to strip the hair with the conditioner, with the shampoo, and not follow up with the conditioner. I know some people like to just use conditioner to clean their hair, but I prefer shampoo because of the products I was using. I want those out, and I want to re-moisturize it with the conditioner. But it's your wig, your hair, your extensions. Use what you like to use. Now I'm going in on my mannequin head and my mannequin tripod and just using my round brush blow dryer. This is my favorite. Me and homegirl are attached at the hip. This is such a good blow dryer. And I'm blow drying this hair. But this hair is so thin that I could have just used a regular blow dryer, because it wasn't like I had to stretch out a bunch of texture. It is a little wavy, but not so wavy that I couldn't have gotten it straight. But yeah, so I'm just blow drying it so we can move on to the styling section. Jump scare, baby. And I'm just waiting. Trust the process. I promise it's going to work out. Now I'm going to put bangs into this hair because I've been wanting bangs, but I do not want to cut my own hair, because then it would have to grow out of that awkward stage. And I didn't feel like dealing with that, to be honest. So I'm going from eyebrow to eyebrow in a C shape to create these bangs. And if you're having issues, I'm going to give y'all a quick list. If the hair is not thick enough, like this is for me, I like thicker hair wigs, add more hair to it. You can do that. It's like, get you a pack and put a few tracks in there to make it have more hair. If your lace or your hair is thinning in certain areas, bangs. There you go. Or replace the closure. And as y'all can see, like, I just cut my bangs down in my nose, because you can cut more, but you cannot add any more back. And I'm just flattening them out with my pressing comb and my flat iron before cutting it some more. If you don't like the color it, or it's like, it's just too not what you looking for, color it, y'all. I promise, color always makes everything better. So I'm up close and personal in y'all face because I can't see. As y'all can see, I had glasses on and I don't have contacts, so I need to get up close and personal in y'all face so I can fix these bangs. I know, I smell great. Yeah, I got Ariana Grande cloud on. Yeah. Yeah, but I had to get in y'all face so I could see, because I was too far away from the mirror, and the closest thing to me was my little monitor that I have on the back of my phone when I was recording. So I'm going in, just straightening those out, because I did twist it. The ends on the side are going to be slightly longer, but I want to make sure that they still flow really nicely. And then I'm taking my pressing comb and just flat ironing. I'm just straightening that hair down so it's smooth, not puffed up, not sitting on top of my hair. And then I'm going to go in and put some curls in. And I have to spray, gots to be on this wig, because this wig does not hold curls, baby. And I bought this wig for my 30th birthday. And imagine how mad I was when first it does not even look like what I bought from the reviews. And it didn't hold the curls. And that was the whole style, was these beautiful kind of curls that I was like, that is exactly what I imagined for my 30th birthday. And yes, y'all, I know when wigs come, you have to play around with them and you got to get them situated. But this ain't that wig, baby. Okay? I'll tell y'all about that another day. But yeah. So this is how you fix that ugly wig that you hate. It already looks so much better. I ain't did too much to it. And it was quick and it was easy. It took me like maybe 20, 30 minutes. Yeah. Check out this playlist.